HTTP status code. You got 204, right?
Yes, sir.
What does it mean?
No content.
No content. What is 204? At least remember these things. 200, okay. 201, created. ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. 201 is what? Created. 202, accepted. 203, no authoritative information. 204, no content. When you get it, when you are performing an action and that action is not there, that item is not available, right? You want to delete something which is not at all there, you will get a response of 204. Hey, bye. 204. What is the meaning of 204?
No content.
No content. Right? 207, 208 and all, you will not do it. 400?
Bad request.
What? Which type of error is this? Client error. Right? 400 is bad request, 401 is unauthorized. Okay? Yesterday we performed OAuth 2, right? If you choose no key from there, from the drop down option, and if you try to send that, you will get 401 because it requires an authorization. Right? Done. Have you done all the requests? Aita? Madi bega. I need minimum of 10 requests in the collection. Aita? Okay. In the get request, you got page 2 for the question mark page is equal to 2. Again, what is after question mark is the okay. Here in the response or the snippets we have written some of the snippets, right? Okay, here. Response body contains a string. There is a snippet called as response body contains a string. I cannot magnify this. I can only magnify the text, so I cannot magnify this. Response body contains string. So when I click on that, I get a snippet over here. అర్థమైందా? వచ్చేసా? When you click, you got it. Request response body contains string. PM.test is nothing but PM is postman. Postman.test body matches the string function. PM.expecting this particular text to be included. String you wanted to search. And the string you wanted to search. What you want to search? I want to search this. Response body contains a string. I'll delete this and paste this. Okay? Okay? I'll take any one of the email ID which I want to verify. That is a string because it is enclosed within double quotes. Here, this is a string value, right? After you get the actual, then only you will compare something, right? Yes or no, maybe. So copy this. And paste it here. And you want to do it again. When you click on the response body contains a string, you will get this particular snippet. Okay? Copy the body from the body, any of the string which you want. You can go and paste it here. Click on send. Test results. Body matches strings. Pass. Send ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Same ಮಾಡಿ. See, in the body, you have to verify what kind of verification you want to do. You want to do ID as 8 or email ID or first name or the last name or the avatar based on your requirement. Based on your requirement, what is there in the SRS, that you have to verify. Yes or no, maybe. So that thing you are just going and copy pasting it there, and you will, when you click on send, you will get the result. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, in the test results you will find 1 of 1 pass. हो गया? After the execution is done, then the validation happens. So this I have made it clear in the first date. After the execution is happening, then it will verify in the test results. Okay, na?
Question mark page is equals to page.
Any URL you take, whatever you have to verify, take the response from the body, copy paste in that and verify it. Now if I want to verify something, only this much. Aita? Only this much. I'll click on send. It matches. Contains a string. You know contains functionality of the string? Java? Contains means what? It will verify whether it has or not. Right? So this even works. Aita? Shall I proceed? If you want to do for few more requests, please do it. I'll do only this one. Yes, it matches. If I do something this, you will get failed. I want to verify this, whether it is available in the body. It doesn't matches with the body content, so it gives me out failed. Clear? Easy, no? Some kids playing, knowledgeable kids are playing with the postman. That's all. Okay, na? I'll delete this. The next one, JSON value check. JSON value check. I'll just execute this. Your test name assertion error expected undefined to deeply equal to 100. Okay, what does this mean? Your test name, this is again a string value which you can change. I'll just give it as JSON value validation, the some name. In the JSON response, it is taking into a JSON data variable, that in that the value it is taking whether it is equal to 100 or not. Okay, but in the body, let me take the value as 9 because ID is 9 over here. You can take even 8 or 7 or 2 or 6 or 12, whatever it is. I'll just click on send. What it is happening? Deeply equal to 9. Expect JSON dot value. ಏನಪ್ಪ? ಆಯ್ತಾ? So you are not getting this properly. So go to Postman Learning Center, explore the docs. Here you have which snippet was that? JSON value check alwa? JSON value check.
बॉडी में ईमेल करने ईमेल होता है कॉपी करके टेस्ट में पेस्ट करना वो मैच हो रहा है
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು.
लावण्य फर्स्ट कंटेनिंग स्ट्रिंग
Contains a string. Second one you can use JSON value check.
स्ट्रिंग्स को मैं कॉपी पेस्ट करना होगा एक बार टाइप कर उसमें नीचे बॉडी में जाओ नीचे जो रिजल्ट आता है रेस्पॉन्स उसे ऊपर
Dot value
वो एरो मार्क ऊपर
JSON data
पेजेस में
dot
क्या है ईमेल में है तुम्हारे इसमें डिले है ना डिले में तो ईमेल आ रहा होगा
ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅದನ್ನ. ನೀನು ಬರಿತಾ ಇರೋದು
ईमेल है जॉर्ज कॉपी पेस्ट करो विथ डबल कोट्स कंट्रोल उधर है नहीं स्ट्रिंग यू वांट टू सर्च लास्ट लाइन टेस्ट में नहीं भाई इधर यहाँ टेस्ट में उधर नहीं हाँ वो स्ट्रिंग यू वांट टू सर्च है ना लास्ट उधर वो जो कॉपी पेस्ट करो उधर पेस्ट साइड में डालो अब सेव करके सेंड करो
ఏంది బ్రో ఇది
ಫೇಲ್ಡ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅದೇ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇవ్వాలి
క్రోమ్ ఓపెన్ చెప్పిన
క్రోమా పోస్ట్ మ్యాన్ కదా
పోస్ట్ మ్యాన్
పోస్ట్ మ్యాన్లో ఓపెన్ చేసి
గెట్ పుట్టు అవన్నీ ఉన్నాయి కదా
ఇక్కడ
Watch here. Watch.
ఇయో బ్రో
Right? JSON value check. Okay. The JSON starts with key and value pair. Okay. So if you have to route till here, ID is equal to 7. You cannot directly go to ID and then check it if it is 7 or not. So you have to go by this. Okay. So if you want to go by that, JSON data dot then ID equal to 7 or other badlilwa shabash. Okay, otherwise JSON dot we will verify first the page. Okay, we will verify first the page. Page value is what? 2. We will run this. Pasa. JSON data dot page, you are getting 2. If you want to verify per page is equal to 6. It is passed. Correct? Now if you want to verify total is equal to 12. Right? If you want to verify total pages is equal to 2. Done. Data, JSON data. Now the data value is so much. Correct? Yes or no maybe? Is equal to test result is passed. It is going to compare the entire data. Simple. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಮಾಡು
ಸತಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ರ okay JSON data it is a variable correct see initially you had JSON data dot value there is nothing called as JSON data dot value because you don't have value as a key here correct you have to enter the key in the JSON data dot page equal to 2 right click on send test result is pass if it is if it is 3 which you are expecting and if it is 2 then it is failed expected 2 to deeply equal to 3 your actual is 2 but you are expecting is 3 so it is failed correct this is 2 now next the next value I am deleting the page I am doing per underscore page the next key value see previous snippet was it is going to contain the string JSON contains a string means what it is going to verify your expected whether it is available in the entire string key value pair so this particular contains a string I'll do it again for the contains a string this one string you want to search string is in double quotes that will be in value aisa if you have to verify Michael then this is the string which you have to verify so I am entering Michael there that is string contains that particular string now you don't know what you are getting you have to verify it using the key value right? This is the key, right? You have to verify using the key. The ID is the key, 7 is the value. Now you have to verify, you don't know what value you are getting, but you are expecting for this particular ID, you are getting 7 as the value, or for this particular page, right? See the user, the URL which you have given is what? The query parameter, page is equal to 2. If you are getting 3, then it's error. Even though if you are getting 200, even though if you are getting okay, but you have to verify what is the value you are getting in the page. So in order to do that, you cannot use body matches a string, that is contains a string snippet, right? You have to go by the JSON value check. JSON value check. Value is 2. Key is your page. JSON works in key and value pair. Value. Stressing the value. Okay? Value check. This is a JSON. All these are the values. You are going to verify the values. How are you going to do it? By using the key. What is the value for the key? Page. What is the value for the key? Per page. What is the value for the key? Total. What is the value for the key? Total underscore page. Understood? JSON value check. Okay. If I have to verify this JSON value check, check if my per page is 2. Okay? It is 6, but it will fail, right? That is what? It is failing. Right. If you don't want to use dot equal to, delete it, dot, you have n number of things. Contains. Java snippet is a pre-scripted coding which will help you to validate, but you can definitely change it. You need not to go by dot equal to. Your validation scenario is not to verify only whether it is 2. It might be anything 2 underscore, 2 plus, but 2 is the correct value if you want to check. So I will take contain or dot contains 2. Coding is left to you. How do you do it? Snippet is just a tool for you to provide it. So whether it contains 2 per page. No, per page doesn't contains 2. It is 6. Right. So I'll do 6. What is happening? A combination of arguments, number and a number, is invalid for this assertion. You can use an array or a map, an object, a string, whatever. Contains 6. I can use a string there. Right? But again, or a weakest instead of a string. Per page is not verified with contains. Right? Let us do with contain. Again, no. So you cannot do dot to contains. So go by whatever is there. Equals. Equals 6. Okay, but there are different methods also which you can use. Use it accordingly. Okay, the next one. Put the data record.
Again, you did copy paste match that last one for to add JSON value only. From where you
Data. Okay. Whether it is equal to semicolon tool here. ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ See, expected result versus actual result is your hanebara. You as a tester want to verify what, that is left to you. Right? That will be given in the SRS that you have to verify this. But apart from that also, if you want to verify something else and raise a defect, you can raise a defect. No one will stop you, right? It's not that only you have to check this logo, okay, logo is working fine. If the name's spelling is incorrect, then also you can raise a defect, right? In that case also raise a defect. Artha aita? Clear? Clear? Now the other thing, the next snippet. JSON body, response body is equal to a string. ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲ contains a string we had done. Is equal to a string will definitely verify. Say for example I have to verify George, and if I execute this, what it is coming? Expected is George, but you got the entire thing. JSON body is correct. The entire body is correct or wrong? The entire body. So what I'll do, in order to, the entire body is correct or wrong? Response body string. Syntax error, missing argument. Something is missing.
బియ్యం కొట్టాలి పోస్ట్ మ్యాన్ కొట్టాలి
పోస్ట్ మ్యాన్ కాదు రిక్రెస్ రిక్రెస్
స్పెల్లింగ్
ఆరి ఆర్ఈక్యూ
రిక్రెస్
Yeah, miss ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. Try it out. Something I have missed out. Something I have missed out.
సో ఇక్కడ ఏమో ఓపెన్ చేయాలి ఇదే
Do it for other API. Easier one.
ఇక్కడ
Post or something.
డౌన్కి వచ్చా ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా ఇప్పుడు స్టార్టింగ్ వచ్చాం కదా నువ్వు స్టార్టింగ్ రాలేదు నువ్వు గెట్ ఉంది కదా
ఇది
గెట్
ఇట్
దాని మీద క్లిక్ వచ్చిందా అక్కడ ఉంది కదా రిక్వెస్ట్ ఓపెన్ చేయి యూఆర్ఎల్ కాపీ చేసుకో
ఏది ఇదే కాపీ ఎట్టు చేయాలి ఏదో కల్లా
క్లిక్
ఇదే
కాపీ చేసుకో కాపీ
ఏది నొక్కాలి ఎంట్రా
కంట్రోల్ సి
కంట్రోల్ సిడిఆర్ఎల్
కంట్రోల్ సి
ఇదే కదా
కాపీ అయిందా మళ్ళీ పోస్ట్ మ్యాన్ లెక్క
పోస్ట్ మ్యాన్ యాప్లోకి తీసేయాలా
అది అట్లా పెట్టు
Check it out how to do that.
క్లోజ్ చేయకు మ్యాక్సిమం చేయాలి ఇక్కడ ఉంది చూడు ఆ లాస్ట్లో దీని ఇటు సైడ్ పోస్ట్ మ్యాన్ ఓపెన్ చేయి అన్నీ క్లోజ్ చేయొద్దు రెండు మళ్ళీ చేయాలి
response body string string for
ఓపెన్ చేసినప్పుడు
కనెక్షన్లో దానికి ఇప్పుడు నేమ్ ఇచ్చే గెట్ గెట్ అని టైప్ చేయి.
వీడు కదా
ఆడ ఇవ్వాల కనెక్షన్ నేమ్,
ఇప్పుడు ఇవ్వాలి
కనెక్షన్ నేమ్లో
కలెక్షన్ ఇక్కడ ఓత్ ఉన్నా తీసేయాలా
గెట్
జీఈటీ గెట్
అయిందా? ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ అది తీసి పేస్ట్ చేయాలి. కంట్రోల్ వి
అంటే
కంట్రోల్ వి ఎన్నిసార్లు చేసినా తీసేసి తీసే మొత్తం
కంట్రోల్ వియా
ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ನಿಪ್ಪೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ
బ్రో
సెండ్ ఇట్. బాడీలోకి వెళ్ళావా?
ఇడిగా ఇదే
Okay, verify that body equals to string. Okay, do it by yourself.
వచ్చింది కదా?
Big Java.
200 ఓకే అంతేనా
Check it out. So we'll continue tomorrow.
ఓకే ఓకే అదేదో ప్రోగ్రామ్ చెప్పినాడు